La 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 la. The wind is blowing, woo woo woo. Leaves are falling, red and gold too. The air feels chilly, coats come out. Let's get ready, no need to pout. Bundle up, don't catch a cold. Put on your jacket, brave and bold. Scarf and mittens, nice and tight. Keep yourself cozy, morning to night. Clouds are darker, gray and low. Raindrops start to fall, oh no. Rain boots on, an umbrella too. Splash in puddles, that's what we do. Bundle up, don't catch a chill. Stay warm and dry and you'll feel still. Hat on your head, zip your coat. Stay toasty warm from head to foot. Frosty mornings, breath so white. Snowflakes twinkle in soft moonlight. Woolly socks and a snuggly hat. You'll stay healthy, imagine that. Bundle up, don't sneeze or sniff. Dress for the weather, that's the gift. Sweaters, gloves, and boots that shine. You'll feel warm and oh so fine. When the weather's cold, don't delay. Check outside before you play. Ask a grown-up, what should I wear? They'll help you dress with love and care. Bundle up, don't catch a cold. Dress up